Hey guys and gals, I'm here with a new video, and since the first one did a lot better than I ever expected it to, I figured why not do another of the Mario Micro Land playsets by Jakks Pacific. And this one, of course, is part of the Acorn Plains Themes playset, so I can attach to my first one. It comes with a Monty Mole. I think it's a Monty Mole. I have not played Mario Brothers U because I don't have it. And a basic Mario to go along with my Flying Squirrel Mario from the first one. So packaging, very, very simple, very, very basic. The bag is the same as the other one. You can connect all your little sets to make your Mario level Dead in that theme fun. And that's really it. So I'm gonna open it up. And of course, here is the set out of packaging with little Monty Mole just kind of hanging out. And there's the Mario. I'll just go from up there for now. So this is, you know, I like these. I do. And I don't see them in stores enough. I've never actually seen these in retail. Amazon for the longest time had them for kind of outrageous prices. It was like 40 bucks for the deluxe set. This one, I can't remember. But recently they've dropped down to $11, so I can actually pick these up. And I do like them. There's something really enjoyable about them. So you can see Mario, you can put him on the little mushrooms. Now, I'm not sure if this is a quality control type thing where they're just loose, or if it's meant to be from the game. I know in the game, like Mushroom Heights, it's all about moving mushrooms, and some of them kind of wiggle back and forth. So not sure if that's based on that, or if it's just the way it's pegged in, it's just kind of loose. But of course, Mario can fit all over. What would you expect? A minor nitpick, I would have liked if the pipe could have had like a moving platform inside, so you could raise Mario up and down in the pipe. For now, he can just kind of hang out there. It's no big deal. The gimmick for this one, because they typically do have a gimmick, there's a little button on the back of this piece. You take this, when you push it, boop, there goes Monty. So the minifigures for this, I think, are actually slightly better than the ones that I had earlier. And I do have another set that I'm going to show off, and this Mario looks a whole lot better than the other one. The other one, it's a bit blotchy. But for being this tiny, I think the paint detailing is very, very well done. If I can focus on just Mario there. I think it's very nice, very crisp. I don't see too much kind of a sloppy paint job. He actually looks really good. The other Mario I have, there's like some skin paint on his mustache, and it's kind of iffy. But again, I do like it. So there's Mario. Now as for Monty, it's been a very long time since I've played a Mario game, so I'm hoping this guy is Monty Mole. If not, then boy, am I stupid. But again, paint job looks really, really nice, considering just the overall size of it. He is a little bit bigger than Mario in terms of girth, but height-wise, Mario wins. So get him just kind of there. And again, him side by side. Here's Yoshi, if he'll actually stand. Flying Squirrel Mario, which I still have not experienced in game because, well, I've not played Mario in a while. And a Goomba. So I'm getting a nice little degree of characters here. I do have Peach and a Bob-omb somewhere. They've run off together. So you can see how these guys all look together. It's nice to have more minifigures just kind of hanging out. So with those out of the way, of course, the whole gimmick with this thing is you can take out all the pieces and switch them around. They all have the little jigsaw pieces. So you can put it there. You can put this guy here. Or you can just flat out do it this way. Or, if you do have other sets, like I'm starting to, you can take all these, put them together, and make your own Mario level, which is definitely a really cool thing. These guys aren't that expensive. 11 bucks typically for one of these little sets. Seems to be the retail price. And I do like that you can just take them. You can mix and match. So I'm gonna do this. Take these all around. I'm gonna make this be the end. I need a flag at some point, so that's gonna bug me. I'm going to put that one there. Doop. And I guess I'll put this one there. Yeah, I think so. I'm going to put that there. I'm just going to put that back there because why not? Why not? So you can conceivably make your own Mario level once you get enough pieces. Now, there are a lot of Mario levels are kind of long, so you would have to buy a lot of these to actually have a full Mario level. But I do like the overall concept. You can just have your Mario wherever you want. Have him run along. Jump, jump, jump. Whoo, there you go. There's the end. I need a flag. So perhaps I'll get the deluxe level of this. If I can find it, it's still like 40 bucks on Amazon. So I'm not sure when I'll be getting it. But I do like the overall idea. So get them. Get these guys all over there. Get in your little hole. Put you up there. Yoshi still stands kind of awkwardly, so maybe he'll balance. Nope, he's going to fall over. So I'm going to prop him on a mushroom. I still have to get Yoshi's legs all fixed. And I'll just put this little guy up there because why not? Clones are fun. So yeah, I like these. Obviously, this isn't for everybody. And I can see it's being aimed a lot more at younger children. But if this is something that you've got some interest in, if you really like Mario, this is definitely something fun to have. And again, you can have a lot going on in just about a foot wide display, unless you expect even more, but you can have a lot going on with a nice little playset. And if you have enough of these guys, what you could actually do, which I haven't really tried yet, and take all these back apart. Let's see, I had these here. If you were so inclined, you could even do that, and then do that. Depending on your mood, you can have a Mario set this way, or you can just flip it around this way and have your own little set like that. Woo! I do like that. So yeah, that is really it for this video. It's really short. There's not too much to really cover with it. It's just, it is what it is. I recommend it, and I say pick it up. Flip it around back to that way. That's the one I'm talking about today. And I'm kind of excited because, you know, I now have two things from the Acorns playset. I now have this thing to do. This is from the Layer Cake Desert set, so I have a whole new theme to play with. And I'll have to get more yellow pieces to kind of with it. One thing that I wish they would do, and I don't know if they ever would, I would like if they made like transition pieces. Have one that's kind of a green fading to a yellow, so you could have multiple themes linked together and not have it look really awkward. If you have just yellow going to green, it's kind of weird. And I see that they do have now ice levels and water levels, and I'm really glad this is continuing on and having different themes and a whole new kind of ways to play with it. I do want to get those, but they haven't dropped to the low price yet. They're still like 20 bucks each. I don't know about that. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it somewhat. If you haven't, I'm sorry. I like these. I do. I think they're charming. And for 11 bucks, I think you get quite a lot to really play with. So there's that. You can just, ooh, ooh. Oh, there you go. This one, not so much. But anywho, I will see you guys around. Thanks for watching as always, and boo! Take care.